AI voice agents are a massive technology shift, and you're here to find out why. Let's break down what an AI voice agent is, how it works, and how it's rapidly transforming businesses across the globe. Companies using AI voice agents are seeing a 17 times ROI right now just by picking up leads that human teams physically don't have the time to answer. We're moving from the typical, press one for sales to actually conversations that close deals. So, what is an AI voice agent? Think of an AI voice agent, or AIVA, as your most consistent digital employee. It's an intelligent system that uses large language models to actually reason through a phone call. Unlike a traditional bot that just looks for keywords, an AIVA understands intent. If a customer calls and says, "Hey, I'm really frustrated because my shipment is late and I need it for a wedding tomorrow," a legacy system hears shipment and late keywords, and AIVA hears frustration and the deadline, and it adjusts its tone and priority in real time. Now, you've probably used a ChatGPT or a website chatbot. That's text AI. In a text world, the AI has the luxury of time. It can take 5 seconds to think and it feels normal, but in voice AI, silence comes off strange. Text AI doesn't have to deal with the background noise, thick accents, or people interrupting mid-sentence. And AIVA has to do interruption handling. If you stop the AI to ask a quick question, it has to stop speaking immediately, listen, evaluate, and respond. It's a completely different level of complexity because it's happening in a live, high-pressure audio environment. An AI voice agent has three main parts: the brain, a large language model which handles the thinking and the logic. Then the voice, the text-to-speech, which makes it sound human and not robotic. Then the memory, the CRM sync, the most important part for businesses, which knows exactly who is calling and even what they bought last week. The tech might sound complex, but it actually happens in a split second. Imagine you call an AI voice agent right now. The call begins and your speech is captured through automatic speech recognition, ASR. The AI has to convert that speech to text. Natural language processing, or NLP, identifies specific details to understand context. The AI brain analyzes the input and determines best response. Text-based reply is generated, and the reply is converted back to speech. That's also why the reason most AI voices sound bad is latency, because if that whole loop takes more than half a second, the conversation feels awkward and you can sense something is off. The voice agents right now operate within about 500 milliseconds of latency, which is fast enough that most people don't realize they're speaking to an AI. But let's look at a story from the real world. Christian runs a gym in Spain called Circle Gym. They are a circuit-style fitness studio that needs new member trials to keep their business running. Christian is an experienced fitness entrepreneur, so he doesn't really have problems with new people coming in. He's active with ads and content, but he runs the gym remotely from Denmark. And since he can't be on site all the time, he set it up so every system works on its own. And lead response was his biggest challenge. So they brought in an AI voice agent. If a member called at 10 a.m. to freeze their account, the AI handled it. If a lead called on a Sunday morning to ask about a guest passes, the AI qualified them and booked a tour. Christian staff could go back to being fitness coaches again, and yet they didn't replace their people. They gave their people their time back. Within months, their resolution rate for routine inquiries hit nearly 100% without adding a single dollar to their payroll. But AI voice agents aren't just receptionists. They can fill a huge variety of roles, like being an outbound sales closer, calling your leads from your website within 30 seconds of submitting a form request, qualifying them based on your criteria, and booking a meeting with your sales guy. Or they can be a support specialist that handles high-volume repetitive tasks like shipment tracking or resetting passwords or updating status on a refund with all the data pulled from your CRM. It can be a logistics coordinator that calls your customers to confirm appointments or reschedule them if your technician is running late. And that comes with 24/7 availability, never missing a lead even at 3 a.m. It comes with consistency, where the AI gives perfect brand-approved answers every single time, and cost efficiency, since you now handle 70% of your routine tasks for a fraction of a cost of a full-time hire. Now, what we often see is that if you go on YouTube, you'll see dozens of quick and easy guides on how to build your own AI agent. They will tell you how to string together a quick AI voice agent answering a routine question in a few minutes, which is Fine if you need a one question answered, but who handles security of your customers' data? What if you need to connect it through your CRM? What if you need to tailor it to your own needs? This is where a tool like CloudTalk fits. Our AI agents are built specifically for SMB speed, so it's a no-code environment. And because CloudTalk is a telephony provider first, the AI is baked into a dialer. It syncs natively with HubSpot and Salesforce and Pipedrive or whatever other CRM that you're used to. It's a managed solution, which means we will handle the latency, the security, and the updates, and you just focus on your business. If you want to see exactly how this looks for your specific workflow, just like CircleGym did, I've put a link in the description down below. You can set up a demo with our team and see how to get an agent live in under 1 hour with CloudTalk.
CloudTalk.